Then when I go to my career, please do not flicker. 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 It's not flickering. I fixed it. I'm a genius. 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 We recording? We live? We rolling? Let's get it. Intro.
Everybody wanna talk about Dolo. Everybody wanna talk about hoes though. Everybody wanna talk about everything else. Like where the fuck your life go though?
There we go. Yo, what it do, YouTube? Is you boo? Where's my? Do I feel like it? I'm gonna stay seated cause we finna play 2K, and this is my first time loading it up too. What the fuck? Why? I gotta fix this. Hold on. Why is it doing this? Why is it doing this? It looks normal on the Elgato, but on my screen, bro, it's messed up. It's messed up, bro. I gotta look at this screen so it look normal. I don't know why it look like this. Screen and video, let me see. Screen. Adjust display. I feel like that's his why. Can I wait. Okay, that's making it smaller. I don't care about that. Video output information. Wait. Resolution and frequency. It's not. Shortcuts and create button, screenshot format, video clip format. How is it not in? Let me move my face down, bro. Okay, so video output. That's the output. My screen though. It's only letting me make it smart. If I could, it's 3 screens on my screen right now, and I do not know how to fix that. It did that with Call of Duty yesterday, and now I'm actually trying to fix it. Bruh, let me look it up. Why is mine?
Elgato HD6 that CE in grey is a official cable because I need to make sure that I've got the right cable so I've got the correct video quality there. The Elgato
I have my output coming out at 720, so we're just gonna play around with it some more. TV, but the resolution on this one is actually 2K. So I brought down the resolution, and one major thing that I had to do was turn off the HDR. So if your setup does not have with HDR, then you want to make sure you have this off. Like it needs to be off, point blank period, for it to work. So once I did.
Hey, I'm liking, I'm subscribing. Hey, turn on all post notifications. Oh my god, buddy is a lifesaver. Wait. Merchant was just an HDR. And I'm still recording. Buddy's a lifesaver. Hey, y'all go check out Low Nose gaming channel. My god. Well, yeah, I might take that back. He ain't uploaded in 3 months. He ain't committed to the cause, but he committed to the cause. Hi. Tonight's gonna be a simple night. I'm not finna stream. I wouldn't stream this game because who finna join the stream? Oh, ouch. But you know, you feel me. Oh yeah, we big lit. You already know, everybody finna be screaming park and going because you entered a block scene. Oh, whatever. Do all that. I don't gonna do all that because I don't care for real. And it's not even about that. That'll come later, bro. I'm finna try to start some. My team, bro. I wanna do my team. I ain't gonna lie, I do not miss that. Choose your starter difficulty. What? All star. I'm not a. Okay, my 2K screen looked weird. Download the new NBA 2K companion app. I don't care about that right now.
Robinson, you can feel the conflict.
You know what I'm doing, bro. This is my team, bro. I'm building. I'm finna do a my team series. And a my career series.
Are you ready to build the team of your dreams?
Yes, get out my face.
Your lineup. And you choose how to play. Select the legends of the game. How would you build around them?
Can I? Okay. Dion Williams, 82 overall? Dang.
Or try to take them
I
down.
miss playing my team. This is the first game I ever pre-ordered.
Choice to receive 4-star hit the foundation you need to begin your journey. This is my team.
Who do I want a starter kit from? Think I get John Morant? Give me LaMelo. Please. Do I get LaMelo? I shouldn't have picked this team. I just wanted LaMelo, and okay. Why does he still say 10 cards? Bro. No, just one R. Sure, Chicago, sure. What? CJTR? I don't know. Bro, just make it JTR, bro. JTR, bro. JTR, bro. Team name JTR, abbreviation JTR. The JTRs. Yeah. Alright, bro. Phone all the way over there. Wow. Crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. Unopened packs. How many I got? What's this? Okay, I don't want to even open another one. I'll open this one. I know how to play my team. Get on my face. Agendas. Welcome to. Oh, never mind. Select a player from the manage. Agendas are tasks you can complete. Complete agenda. I've only been recorded 15 minutes. Manage my lineup. The JTRs. Ain't no way it's doing that again. Why is it doing it again? It's doing it again. I don't get it, bro. I don't get it, bro. I don't think that doesn't matter. There you go. Should turn that. What does it say? Can this change this only when the HDMI device doesn't send HDR range information correctly? Okay, full. Okay, it's back to normal. It's back to normal. Now, is it gonna stay normal? I don't know. It stayed normal. Sweet God, team. How do I, bro? Why does this, bro? It broke itself again. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. It's normal on this screen. It's not normal on my screen. I got it on full. This is for color. Maybe that's not what I'm supposed to do. I don't know. I don't know. Do automatic, bro. We're gonna try it again. Oh my God, I don't get it. Maybe if it's smaller. We're gonna try this one last time, bro. Single player. Oh, clutch time. Let's play a domination. Let's try. Alright, go. It's not working, bro. Just in case y'all don't believe me, bro. This is what my screen looks like. Right. Just, you know what? No 2K today. No nothing today, bro. Not until I figure out how to fix this. This video will go up though, but yeah. I don't get what's wrong. How to fix that? I don't know how to fix that, bro. That's the end of the video though. I paused my screen because I wanted to start recording, bro. Can it fix itself? It's okay, bro. I gotta look at this screen in order to see properly. Bro, my screen is jacked. I'm gonna end up just recording without face cam, bro, because I can't, bro. My screen is 3 parts. Is in 3 parts right now, and the 3 parts look wonky. This is not fair. Hold on. Do this. If I do this, is it gonna fix itself? No. Still broke. I don't get it. Fuck they need me for? Act like the whole family here. I'm over here ranting. I don't get it, bro. I put it on automatic. Then I put it back at -2. And it'll be fine. It don't make sense. This don't make sense, bro. I put it. It don't make sense, bro. It flickers. My screen flickers, and I've looked at all the things on how to fix this, but this right now is not making sense to me. Now my screen is normal. Can you stay normal though? Block City. That was a block, but okay. I didn't hold it long enough. Whoa! Big man pulling out moves. Oh yeah, you suck. I mean, he's not supposed to dribble. Out of bounds! What the? Dang, you suck, Rudy. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. This team is trash anyway. I don't care. Oh my god. That's a 1-and-1. Oh, Rudy, you know what to do. If you get this ball stolen, you're a bum. Yeah. Nope. I'm not saying nothing about nothing, bro, cause I don't want to jinx it. What? Oh my god. You don't want to dunk for me? You don't want to dunk for me? Rudy! I can't wait to like get better at this game. Oh my god. Oh my god! That should have been in. Come on, that's a block! Tell me that's not a block. What are you doing? You're supposed to bend pass it in. I won. No foul? Kemba going crazy. I really want LaMelo, bro. I'm finna see how much he is on auction house. If my... let me not say nothing. Dang, it's not... I know it's not a battle of the layups. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a battle of the layups. It's a battle of the layups? That's crazy to me, bro. Okay. Stay on him. Stay on him. Stay on him. Stay on him. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on you, kid. I already know. I could tell I'm gonna lose. No, I did not get the rebound. Oh my god. Come on, Rudy. Oh my god! Oh my god! I lost. Run. No! That's Chef Curry with the shot, boy. Oh well. I don't care. I just don't want my screen to glitch. Okay, I do this. I quit match. Go back to normal. My screen's normal again. I shouldn't have said nothing, but I said something. Where's the auction house? What the hell? Wait, did they say it's not an auction house this year? Did they? Pack market. It's a prize. I don't care. My team community hub. What does this mean? Is this like the auction house? Community hub. What do you... Locker codes, okay. Is it not an auction house this year? I honestly did not look too much into 2K, bro. I don't care. I didn't care for real. I didn't care for real. I just wanted to get the game. Had to get 2K. Had to. It's no auction house, bro. Why did y'all get rid of the auction house? That makes me not want to play my team. If I'm being dead ass, bro, getting rid of the auction house makes you not want to play my team. Element, yo. I don't care about none of this, bro. Trade cards for brand new rewards. Why is it not an auction house? This week. Why does it do this, bro? Stop. Fix my screen. I don't want to have to deal. Nobody wants to have to deal with this shit. I don't even know what button. Oh, it's right there. 0 to skip. Bro, my screen is bugged. Alright, I don't know. It's obviously, it's a PlayStation 5 issue, right? But it's like, how do you fix it? Alright, that's it. Why can't I just get this game as it's supposed to be, bro? Why can I not just get the games that I want as they're supposed to be, bro? Screen display, look, bro. Why can't it just be automatic and work properly? Test the output. With your HDMI device, you'll test for the following settings. HDR is turned off to screen blank. The previous setting will restore after 15 seconds. Is that what I'm supposed to freaking test? That's fine. I don't care. I couldn't see the screen on my actual screen, bro. And then why can't these just stay on automatic, bro? This does not make sense to me. If I try to play 2K, bro, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. And it just makes no sense to me. Makes no sense to me. And it don't even matter what account I'm on. It's just this stupid stuff in general. Like, looks normal. Then it turns off. Elgato no signal. Comes back on. 3 screens. Why? Shuts back off again. Comes back on. Still 3 screens. Why though? Bro, it's still 3 screens when I come back here. But you know, the thing is, it doesn't work on automatic. That's why I'm like, why doesn't it just work with automatic? It doesn't work with automatic. It works better with -2. That's something I found out. That is something I found out. Then I go back, it's normal. My screen look good. We're gonna skip this, right? Boom. It should just stay normal, bro. It should never flicker off. The screen should never flicker off, bro. And I'm over here trying to figure out why my screen is flickering. Is my screen when the screen flickers, maybe it's probably, hold on. I think I know why. Resolution says automatic. Let me put the resolution in, like, can't change this resolution because VRR is set to automatic. What is VRR? Oh. Off. Turn that shit off. Turn it off, bro. Because VRR is not even helping. Allow the refresh rate to adjust the real-time GV. Yeah, no, you're not helping, bro. Set it to 720. Set it to the lowest thing, bro. Yeah, set the resolution to the... I take that back. Set it there. Set it there. Set it there. Okay, I take that back. Set it there. Okay, fine. I can't set it to 1440. No, just leave it at 2160 because my screen kept glitching. The screen was just glitching. Nope, I'm good. Nope, leave it like that. Leave it like that. Leave that off. Change this, allow, I don't care. I don't care. I just want my 2K and Call of Duty to operate correctly. Right now, my screen looks correct. Then when I go to my career, please do not flicker. 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 It's not flickering. I fixed it. I'm a genius. 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 I'm a freaking genius. I'm gonna make him a dreadhead. Oh, what is this? Kind of the look I want. Those are not dreads for anybody who think those are dreads. These are cornrows. These are dreads. See the difference? See the difference? I get tired of you dreadheads, bro. Oh, I could do anything with dreads. Guess what? That is regular, authentic hair, bro. You can have that in that style. Guess what? I got it same style as y'all, but y'all's is down, obviously. But guess what? I got more hair. My stuff could stick up, or I could push it to go down. Or guess what? I could take it out of that, and I could do I could twist it up, make it in a dread wave, and still put it like this. I could do whatever. I could do whatever, bro. Dreads, bro, y'all are stuck like this. Y'all stuck with little worms in y'all head. Me? No. No, I could do so many styles with regular hair. That's all I'm gonna say. And I don't want the ball ski cut. Talking about everybody getting waves. I don't want the ball ski cut. I'm good. Who wants the ball ski cut? I mean, it's dudes out here with waves, but you know, I don't want the ball ski cut. I'm making my dude white though. I ain't gonna lie. Let me stop. I'm making him ugly though. I'm making Buddy ugly though. Create your own, build your own player from scratch. Duh. We finna name him Rula. Grundy. He's right-handed like me. Jersey number is gonna be 11. Yay! Here come the exciting part, and I'm so happy my screen not glitching no more. Oh my god! I don't want to jinx it, but like I'm leaving settings as is. I don't know what I did. I think it's cause I turned some stuff off. Oh my god. You don't know how happy I am right now, bro, because I'm really finna run it up. Ah! In fact, we ain't even gonna do this part yet. Actually, no. We gonna make, since I fixed my screen, bro. Wait, is it actually fixed? Going to my team. Cause like in my team it was tweaking too. Oh my god, let's go. Alright, since my screen is actually fixed, bro, I'm assuming it's possibly fixed for Call of Duty 2. Since my screen is fixed, bro, y'all finna get gameplay. Let me know what type of character I should make, bro. This not for gaming, bro. Not for the parking stuff. Not for the parking my team and stuff, but for my career series. I don't even want to do my team, bro. I wanted to do my team, but I don't even Mamba moments. I'm happy they put this in here. I don't even want to do my team, bro. I really wanted the auction house because I was hoping to buy some people, bro. I was hoping to buy some players, bro. This is finna be so weak. Y'all really don't got the auction house? Double, whatchamacallit, in salary? This is so weak, bro. They replaced the auction house with the exchange. Bro, nobody wants to do that. Bro. Pack. Like, I'm happy y'all kept packs, but it's like, this is so weak. Like, But we see it's a scam. Us 2K players, we see it's a scam every year, but we still buy the game. That's because they shut down their old servers. For people to stop playing the game, you really gotta just go to a new game. Start playing NBA Live or something, bro. So that way they could fix their freaking game. But I mean, Ronnie listens to the people, but it's like this is dog water. I ain't gonna lie, this is dog water. I'm not gonna lie, this is dog water. But that's gonna do it for this. That's gonna do it, bro. I'm just happy I fixed this. I'm just so happy I fixed this. So happy, bro. Tomorrow, I'm probably gonna record gaming content. Not tomorrow, tonight. What the hell? This video is gonna go up today because I know there's nothing else going up on my channel. This video is probably gonna go up right when I start recording gaming content. 7 p.m. or something, you know?